Hi, I'm Lydia from Workflow Magic. If you're managing inventory in Monday.com, here's a quick way to automate stock updates when orders are approved. We have two connected boards, one for products and one for orders. When a customer submits a request through a form and selects a product, it links back to the product board. The goal is simple. When the order is approved, we want the product stock to automatically decrease by one. To do this, head to the Workflow setup. Set the trigger to when the status changes to approved in the orders board, then use the Find Item action to locate the connected product in the product board. Next, add a Set Number action and decrease the stock by one. Now, when an order is approved, the product stock is updated instantly. No manual edits, no mistakes. If you want help building automations like this, book a free discovery call with the link below, and let's level up your workflows.